Hey guys, this is Doc Neo. Welcome to another vlog. And we're here for another special unboxing. Although hindi naman talaga unboxing kasi walang box. And let's get right into it. It's gonna be a little bit something from MJ. So again guys, MJ by MacJim. So a lot of people are asking, are they the same brand? Are they a different brand? Well, basically, it's a different brand, but it's the same company. So let's get into it. Tignan natin. So again, thank you again to MJ for sending this little package. And so na natin ito ng laman. Okay, basically nahulaan yun na ba kung ano? Well, madali namang hulaan. It's a belt. Yan. So, tignan natin guys. This is by MJ. So it's color black with a silver buckle. Tignan natin ah. Tipin natin, no? Nice silver buckle. And then, kita-kita naman. Ang ganda ng quality ng MJ. Now, because this is genuine leather, because it's genuine leather, na-expect natin na hindi siya mag-crack-crack at magsira-sira over time. Just tingin natin kung kasha. Sana kasha. So, hindi ko pa natatanggalin yung tag. And it fits perfectly. And since sure na ako ngayon na kasya siya, hindi ko nang tanggalin yung tag. So ayun guys, once again, thank you to MJ. And guys, if you are in need of leather belts, it's time to check out MJ or MacJim sa local outlets natin. So again, this is Doc Leo saying be informed, stay inspired, and I'll see you in my next unboxing. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye!